Excuse me, can you help me, please? Hello, yes, of course. How can I help you today? I want to buy a foundation, but I do not know my shade. Don't worry, I will help you find the perfect color. Thank you, because online shopping always goes wrong for me. Yes, buying makeup online is very difficult. My face looks too white when I buy online. That happens when the shade is wrong. What is your skin type? My skin is normal, but my nose gets oily sometimes. Okay, so you have combination skin. Do you want daily wear? Yes, I want a very light foundation for my office. Great, we have a very good water-based foundation here. Oh, there are so many bottles! Yes, but we will test only 3 colors on your skin. Okay, where will you test it? On my hand? No, we will test it on your jawline.
Why on the jawline? Because your face color and hand color are different. Oh, I see. I did not know that before. Yes, matching on the jawline gives the best result. Which shade is this first one? This is shade number 2. Let me apply a small dot. This looks very yellow on me. Yes, you are right. This is too dark for you. Let us try another one. Now I am applying shade number 3.
Wow, this color matches my skin perfectly. Yes, it completely disappeared into your skin. Let us wait for 1 minute to see if it changes color. Oh, you know about oxidation. That is great. Yes, I saw it in a YouTube video. Look, 1 minute is over and the color is still perfect. Yes, it looks very beautiful and natural. Should I pack this foundation box for you? Yes, please pack this one. It is final.
Great! Next, do you want to see lipsticks? Oh yes, I love lipsticks, but I am always confused. Don't worry. Which color do you usually like to wear? I want a soft pink or a light brown color for daily use. Nude shades will look very sweet on you. Please show me something that stays for a long time. These are liquid matte lipsticks. They last for 10 hours. Do they make the lips very dry? No, this formula has oil, so it keeps lips soft. Can I test the color on my hand? Yes. Let me clean the tester with a tissue first. Thank you for keeping it clean. Here is the first shade. It is called Soft Rose. Oh, this pink is very pretty. I like it. It matches your skin tone very well. Let me see the second shade also. This second one is Peach Cream. The peach one looks a bit dull on me. I agree, the Soft Rose Pink looks much brighter on your face. Okay, I will take the Soft Rose lipstick. Do you also want a lip liner pencil for this? What does a lip liner do? It helps you draw a perfect shape and keeps lipstick inside the line. Okay, give me the matching lip liner too. Do you want a concealer for under your eyes? Oh yes, I have big dark circles because I sleep late. Don't worry, everyone has dark circles nowadays. Can a concealer really hide them completely? Yes, a good concealer can hide everything easily. Is it the same color as the foundation? No, we choose one shade lighter to make the eyes look bright. Okay, can I try a little bit right now? Yes, take a tiny drop and apply it with your finger. Let me see the difference. Wow, look at that! Your left eye looks so fresh now. Oh my God, the dark circles are gone. This is magic. Yes, this product has very high coverage. Put this concealer in my shopping basket immediately. Sure. Do you want a face powder to set this concealer? Is powder necessary after concealer? Yes, otherwise the cream will move and form lines under the eyes. Ugh, I do not want lines on my face. Give me the powder. This is a translucent powder. It has no color but fixes everything. Now I need a new eyeliner and a mascara. We have a new eyeliner pen that is very easy to use. Is it a sketch pen? Liquid liners are hard for me. Yes, it is exactly like a sketch pen. It does not shake. Oh, that line is very thin and clean. Let me try it. Wow, it dries in just 2 seconds. Yes, it is fast drying and waterproof too. That is great because my eyes water a lot. Then this eyeliner is perfect for you. It will not smudge. What about the mascara? I want long eyelashes. This yellow mascara will make your eyelashes look very long and thick. Will it create clumps or stick my lashes together? No, the brush has small teeth that separate every lash. The brush looks very clean. Is it waterproof? Yes, it is 100% waterproof. It will stay all day. Fine, let us add this mascara to the list too. I am afraid to see the total bill now. Do not worry, we have a very good discount today. Really? Is there an offer running in the store? Yes, today we have a 15% discount on the total bill. Wow, that is a very good saving for me. Let me scan the items one by one. Yes, please check the prices carefully. Here is your foundation, shade number 310. Here is the soft rose lipstick and the lip liner. Here is the under eye concealer and the waterproof mascara. Here is the pen eyeliner and the waterproof mascara. Do you accept Google Pay or phone scan? Yes, we accept all digital payments. Please scan this QR code. Okay, I am scanning it now. Enter the PIN, and done. Please check your machine. Yes, we received the payment of 4,250 rupees. Thank you.